This brand is a part of Rheem Manufacturing, which is a subsidiary of Paloma Group. The units are made in Mexico and sold in the USA through factory-authorized installers, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. All of the units have an auto-clean function as well as corrosion-resistant coil coatings, but they only have a basic washable filter. They offer optional accessories to improve the indoor air quality, such as their fresh air purifier and germicidal lights. The floating air select heat pumps are available in 115 volt or 208-230 volt systems and have an efficiency rating of 18 SEER. The floating air pro models are available to serve from 1 to 4 indoor units from a single outdoor unit and have a 23 SEER efficiency rating. They have built-in Wi-Fi so they can be controlled by a smartphone or through voice control with Alexa or Google Home. The indoor units are whisper quiet and low speed, and the outdoor units have a sound rating that is roughly equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator. The floating air premium heat pumps have 4-way swing louvers for good air circulation and an efficiency of up to 28 SEER, as well as built-in Wi-Fi and voice assistant control. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for inclusion in the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.